Hello fellow designers, today let's dive into the treasure troves of the free icons and let's discuss where to snag them. I won't just throw website name at you, instead I will guide you on what to look for when downloading icons for your Figma projects. My go-to destination is Figma community. In that we have a fantastic resources with mix of free and premium content. However, the internet is teeming with the free icons, so explore and find what suits you the best. Now let's go to Figma community and let's explore some free icons. Okay, so as you can see, currently we are in project. So if I go into home, there is a option called explore community, or you can also access from here as well. And for community, the symbol is kind of globe, kind of internet globe. And from here you can access all kind of different assets like icons, different projects, as well as wireframes. You name it, you will get everything over here. So let me find some icons over here. So as you can see, we get some icons over here. These are the icon packs. This contains like thousands of free icons. You can see this one contains 6,000 icons, and this is suitable for this kind of softwares like this is the Figma, Sketch, or VXD, and other some softwares as well. You can also sort them by like free, paid, or premium. Currently, I'm gonna choose free. You can also use plugins. In next video or probably in like after 2 videos, I will tell you how to use plugins, because plugins are very simple to use and you just have to drag and drop. So instead of using this, you can use plugins. Okay, so you can also sort this by trend, popular, and recent. Mostly I use popular because in popular section we get lots of icons which people love. So mostly I use this one like bezel as well as this unicorn one. So for now let's go with bezel. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so I guess I used this already, so that's why it's showing open in Figma. But some people might get that duplicate option. So if you are seeing duplicate, you can click on duplicate. But currently, let's open in Figma, and it will open a new project. And in that, we will get lots of icons. So as you can see, we get bunch of icons. This is the outline. This is the solid icons. Let's say if you want to use this icon, like this home icon, you can just copy this, like copy, Control C, and just paste it on your design. Okay, so we got our this home icon. We can just drag it over here because this is going to be our home section, like home button. So as you can see, we got purple like diamond shape icon on the our icon. Like in layers panel, you can also see that over here. So this is the like component. So component is like advanced topic. We are going to cover those topic in future videos. So stay tuned for that. So just remember, this is the master component, and we can just directly use it whenever we want and wherever we want. Now let's go and let's discover some more free icons. Okay, so there are some websites like Icon Scout. From this website, you can get all kind of stuff that is related to UI/UX. This is also like Figma community, but this is the sorted and popular templates is also available over here. Next one is free pick. Okay, so let me download one element from here. Let's assume, okay, I'm going with this one. So there is one option called PNG, and we can download this one. For now, let's go with PNG. Okay, and let me download also the SVG. I think there is no option over here, but let me download one SVG file. Okay, so currently I'm in Icon Finder website. So we get both options like PNG file as well as SVG file, and in others we also have other options. But for now, I want to download the SVG file. So let's download the SVG file and let me import that files in our project. Okay, so this one is the SVG file and this one is the PNG file. So let me paste it over here. I'm holding, okay, I didn't hold the shift, but for now I will hold shift. Okay, so we got the PNG and we also have SVG. But with SVG we can do lots of things. PNG is just an image. You can't do lots of things with PNG. But with SVG you can do lots of things. So currently it has this white background. Okay, so let me bring that out of the frame. Okay, so we have this SVG icon. So with this SVG file, we can increase the stroke. Let's say I want stroke to be 5. I can also change the color of the stroke. So let's say I want this to be white. I can change it into white, as well as I can make it big. And it is not going to lose quality. Like if I increase this much, it will stay the same. But if I increase the like PNG file, as you can see, the pixel is kind of getting blurry. But with SVG file, it is not the case. Okay, so that's the difference between PNG and SVG file. So keep in mind, whenever using icons, don't use PNG. I will say use SVG files. Okay, so this is where you can find all kind of icons for your projects. I will give you all the links in the resources, so check that out. So this one is the UX library, this one is icon scout, this one is the Lapa Ninja, and the free pick. Okay, after that icon finders. So these are some free resources you can use for your projects, and these are totally copyright free. You can directly use them. But before using any like icons, keep in mind that icon is free or not. Let's say you are importing some icons from like icon scout. It will be listed over there. It is free to use, or it is a commercial use, or it is a personal use. So be aware of that and use according to that. So that's how you can download, import, and the resources for icons. Now let's meet in the next video to spur up our wireframe with some awesome icons. So stay creative.